scared.
There he is, Mr. Creepy.
Daddy, I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
I'm scared.
Come on, let's carry on.
Which way are we going?
So, we've had debate about it. Yeah, we're going this way. And tomorrow, I think we're doing the witch's house.
The witch's what?
The witch's house.
Wait, we're going to a witch's house?
No, you're not.
Why?
Me and Roy are before I go to work.
Wait, that's not fair.
So we're gonna.
I want to see a
We think we're doing a witch's house anyway. Possibly.
Where is the witch's house?
The witch's house is in the middle of a deep forest. And it's an abandoned house. Yes.
You're scaring me.
Ooh.
Stop
I'm
it.
scared. She's lovely, isn't she? So, let's have a walk around and see what we can see.
Where next?
And hopefully I won't go on my arse going down here.
There's another thing coming up. I can see the sign.
Can you?
Yeah. Stop it.
Are they coming? The trolls are coming. Ah!
Go that side and it spooked me.
Yes. Can you see that, guys? Picture changes.
Oh, look at that! There's a witch.
There's a witch. It's a witch's den.
Daddy, there's a rat on the table.
Is there a rat on the table?
Yeah.
Oh,
Might come off of it.
I can see 3 rats approaching it as well.
What?
Incidentally, guys.
Daddy, I'm stuck.
Incidentally, in case you haven't noticed, I have a new torch.
Daddy, I'm stuck.
Check that out.
Dad!
Dad, we're stuck.
You're stuck. Oh, walk. Come on. Clop, clop. Just don't spread your legs too far, you'll slip on your bum bum.
Daddy, I'm really scared.
Are you really scared?
Yeah.
Right, let's see what else we can see on this scary trail.
Not that scary.
I wonder if this picture does the same.
Slippery. Yeah, it does.
What's this one do?
Yeah, oh, I see. Oh. Kind of looks a bit like a pig when you see
You're right.
it.
Oh, come here.
It's not like scary.
She's a little bit terrified, is my little minion. Oh, you're right.
Dad.
You're not going to cry, are you? Come on. You okay? Say I'm okay, so the people know you're okay. Say I'm okay. She's okay.
6, 7, 8, and 9.
Where is it? It's Malfescent. Malfescent? Malficient. There's the crow. Ooh. Angelina Jolie never looked so good. What's up? Did the bird get you?
No, that he was just looking right next to me.
Mistress of all evil.
You take a picture of that?
Maleficent.
It says claw or something.
There you go. Angelina Jolie. She's been here for a week. She's starving.
What is she?
You got a toffee apple.
All she's got to eat is a big turnip on a stick.
Can I
Boys and girls come out to play. There's something creepy in the woods today.
Dad,
How to terrify a 8-year-old. Sienna! It's coming!
I'm scared.
what door is it gonna land on?
That's it. Say a prayer. Say a prayer to Buddha.
Butter?
Buddha.
don't believe in
Om. Now, who remembers the classic 80s Spoof horror flick.
Whoa.
Beetlejuice.
That looks nothing like Beetlejuice.
Yeah.
What's in it?
It does actually look like Michael Keaton, doesn't it?
Looks like someone who's dead.
There's number 7 down there.
There's witches.
Beetlejuice.
What's that meant to say?
Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice.
No.
You just sound gay.
See, teenagers today, they're not scary, they do.
The secret path is over here.
I know it is.
I need a bright torch to shine the light.
She's terrified.
You really got the picture. Jenna, realistic. I thought it'd be realistic.
Yeah, because they've got a really big spider on there.
Yeah, I'm scared.
So this is Spooky 11.
It's not 2 for 10 now. It's on Monday to Friday,
Ooh.
10 till 4.
Daddy, what's going on
Incidentally, the Diggle Hotel. Nice place for a meal.
there? Daddy, I'm thirsty.
Enter if you dare. But
Enter if you dare. Boo. Mm.
probably waiting for that train.
What do you call a fat pumpkin?
I don't know.
A plumpkin.
A plumpkin. So, we have the devil on a barbecue. So what have we got here? We've got the devil in a barbecue.
Daddy?
You think? Ooh.
Huh? Daddy,
To be
this
fair,
is
I actually think
mud.
that's pretty
The
cool.
word's pumpkins.
Oh,
Look.
and the words pumpkins.
Ready?
Look at the state of that.
Caleb?
You look at the mud on this path.
Look at my shoes.
Don't fall in.
This is stinky mud.
It is, isn't it? Hmm.
That-
So yeah, there's the devil in a barbecue. Come on. Let's get off this mud.
Caleb,
Did say
Caleb
there's a
went that
headless
way,
guy.
Daddy.
He went that way, did he? Let's go that way then.
No.
Go that way.
Where are we going?
That way.
We're going to scare the girls.
That just looks like this dimension.
Caleb's hiding in the trees.
Look, it's Coco pictures.
Oh.
Pictures from Coco. These are Coco.
The letter
Let me
is-
just...
Ah.
Let me see.
Coco. Yeah,
Hey, can you
yes.
put the light on it? That wasn't scary. I knew you was coming.
I know.
I knew you was coming because I heard you.
Ah, a second.
Stop
Okay, so we've got the Joker.
I'm making it smoke.
Who does the Joker go out with?
Harley Quinn.
Harley Quinn. Exactly. 10 points to you. Who's the baddest? The Joker or Harley Quinn?
Joker.
No, Harley Quinn.
No,
Harley
Harley
Quinn.
Quinn's cool.
Yeah, Harley Quinn's cool.
Hey,
Joker's just...
what, Dad?
Go on.
What monster fits on the end of your finger?
You.
The boogeyman.
The boogie. Oh, the bogeyman. Not the boogeyman, the bogeyman, you muppet.
Come on, let's go.
You're the bogeyman, aren't you? Right, come on.
No, I'm not a boy.
Come on.
Caleb, if you're
You are.
hiding right there,
You
I'm
are.
going to swear I'll hit you.
Don't swear. I'm not allowed to.
What's that?
I feel like it's
Something
there.
under the bridge.
It's a troll.
What is under
It's a troll. There's a troll under the bridge. There's another one. It's hiding under the bridge.
Stop.
Yeah, all right.
What the hell? You're gonna deafen us.
Quick, get over the bridge. All right, go on, Screamer. Come on.
You scared the life out of me, Caleb.
had to pull my,
High five! Aw.
Scared me.
had to pull myself up on the bridge. It's all muddy.
Oh, nice.
Sienna, you have to hit him.
Oh, he's very nice.
I couldn't fit out.
That tastes like candy floss.
Don't know.
A yummy mummy.
Yummy mummy.
This is ugly.
Yes.
Is that little leg?
I think this mummy's seen better days, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Not one of Egypt's finest examples.
I
Where's
see a
Zach?
sign.
Hey?
Where's Zach?
Yeah. It's got a spider coming out of its head as well.
They left the balloon there.
Go to...
Hogwarts, Diagon Alley,
Shaky
Shaky Shack,
Daddy.
Azkaban, Forbidden Forest.
116 dear.
Yeah,
Harry Potter.
come on.
You.
Oh man. Stretch over. There you go. There you go. What have we got in here?
Looks like Harry Potter's been hung.
Doesn't it? Looks like he's been hung.
It's Harry Potter.
He's got a bit tubby as well.
Harry Potter.
I thought he's got a big one.
Undesirable number one.
That scared me.
It's a creeper. Have I got enough power left in my torch to show you a creeper?
You got a message from Mr. Beast.
Oh, that's alright. I haven't got a message from Mr. Beast. It's sweet. He don't speak to me anymore since he got famous.
And yeah, no.
It's a creeper. Look, it's a Death Eater. Look,
Dementor.
look from this side. It's a Dementor.
Looks like it's been hung.
It comes for the demented. It's attracted to your screams.
Wanted. Bellatrix Lestrange.
Lestrange. Bellatrix Lestrange.
Snake.
Snape. Snape.
Wanted.
Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape. Dumbledore. Dumbledore. Idiot.
He is not wanted.
Have you seen this wizard?
Not
Oi,
wanted.
not with your can.
Wanted.
Aye.
Course.
Waddle for Lestrange.
Rodolphus Lestrange.
Amicus Harrow. Right, let's go to number
Yeah.
17.
Well, there you go, guys. I've scared the kids. I've achieved what I set out to achieve. Tomorrow, I'll scare myself.
Yeah, you will.
Right.
yourself.
Yes.
Daddy.
Wait, is it
So yeah, tomorrow,
Daddy.
me and Roy are going to do the witch's house. There's a bin over there. Hey, there's a bin over there. Yeah, tomorrow me and Roy are going to do a cemetery, the witch's house, and a forest. Bit Blair Witch style. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed. I'm going to walk my way through this muddy quag. Look at my feet now. Look at it.
Stuck.
Daddy, my toes hurt.
Mine is stuck. Oh man. As you can see, there's been a lot of footfall around here. Parks are going to have a lot of work to do.
What if my foot is stuck?
I'm going to leave her there.
No, I actually can't get out.
I know. Yeah, we're going to leave her there when she gets stuck.
Whoa.
There she is, stuck in the mud. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Adioskis.
Bye.
Adioski. Say adioski.
Adios.
Adioski. Say adioski.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye. Say goodbye, Sienna.
Hi.
Bye-bye.
Right,
Can't get out.
bye guys.
Can't get out.
See ya!
See ya.
Yeah.
Bye. Are you saying goodbye?
See ya.
Say bye. Say adioski.
Adioski.
Yes.
Alonzi.
Alonzi. Ah.